Hello guys, today we started our English lesson number 7 Khasawa Jadhav. Okay guys, it's our lesson number 7. Student, do you know that about we are playing too many games at your home in our school. So now this lesson is the Olympic sportsman about Khasawa Jadhav. He was lived in Maharashtra. He was a great wrestler. So now this at first you watch this video, then after I explain you. Okay guys, now we started the student our lesson number 7 Khasawa Jadhav. There it's the Olympic sign up 7 circle. Sportsmen from many different countries are participated in that Olympic games. The number of events are held in that the Olympic games student. There are games athletics event like the high jump, long jump, running, gymnastics event and swimming. The diving competition, boxing, wrestling matches and many of other things are played in that games. The winners are given gold, silver and bronze medal. Those are match this competition. The Olympic medal is an honor. Few Indians have won the Olympic medal so far. The first person to win the medal from independent India was the wrestler from in Maharashtra. His name was Khasawa Jadhav. Khasawa Jadhav was born in very poor family in the village of Goleshwar in Satara district. But it was a family that loved sports, especially wrestling. His father Dada Saheb was himself as a wrestler. He had 5 sons. The youngest of them was Khasawa. Khasawa was a very smallest brother of the 5 brothers. Dada Saheb himself taught him his son wrestling. They were all very good at, but the best among them was Khasawa. From an early age, Khasawa loved to watch the wrestling boots. Boots means matches. His father took him to see the boots from the time he was just 4 years ago. He would sit on his father's shoulder and watch all the boots. At 10, he was the youngest of the get into that matches. Soon it became the clear that was also boots not only its his own akhada but in the other. Khasawa loved other watch to these boots. He was fond of the kabaddi, mallakham, running, swimming and gymnastics. He took part in all of these. He became the strong and algi means able to move quickly and easily. Means their body is so too much flexible. He loved to wrestling too much. He went to the Rajaram College in Kolhapur where the wrestling was encouraged. Khasawa took part in many wrestling bouts and won all them. In that area he was a champion. Therefore he was sent to wrestler at the state level and then after national level. Khasawa Jadhav became famous in the national level too. Okay guys.
Jadhav. Have you heard about
you watch this video again
Olympic
student?
Games? Sportsmen from many different countries of the world come together for the Olympic Games. A number of events are held. There are games, athletic events like high jump, long jump, running, gymnastic events, swimming and diving competitions, boxing and wrestling matches, and many other things. The winners are given gold, silver and bronze medals. An Olympic medal is an honor. An Olympic winner is considered to be a world champion. Few Indians have won Olympic medals so far. The first person to win a medal for independent India India was a wrestler from Maharashtra. His name was Khashaba Jadhav. Khashaba Jadhav was born in a very poor family in a village called Goleshwar in Satara district. But it was a family that loved sport, especially wrestling. His father, Dada Sahib, was himself a wrestler. He had 5 sons. The youngest of them was Khashaba. Dada Sahib himself taught his sons wrestling. They were all very good at it, but the best among them was Khashaba.
कमी एमबीसी नाही आणि जास्त एमबीसी होतच नाही ना कोणता आहे पप्पाचा एक मम्मीचा आहे
From an early age, Khashaba loved to watch wrestling bouts. Bouts means matches. His father took him to see the bouts from the time he was just 4 years old. He would sit on his father's shoulders and watch the bouts. At 10, he was the youngest to get into the akhada. Soon, it became clear that he was also the best, not only in his own akhada, but in the whole area. Khashaba loved other sports too. He was fond of kabaddi, mulkham, running, swimming, and gymnastics. He took part in all of these. He became strong and agile. Agile means able to move quickly and easily. He loved to discuss sports with his friends. He went to Rajaram College in Kolhapur, where wrestling was encouraged. Khashaba took part in many wrestling bouts and won them all. In that area, he was the champion. Therefore,
student, you watch this video and you write down the hard words and meaning words in your notebook and read the hard words 5 times and learn their spelling. Okay.